Everybody, Larry here with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today I'm standing on a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer outboard. There's a lot there and there's a lot of boat to go over too. Let's start with this enormous bow area that's got a great sun lounger for 3 adults to kind of hang out while you're cruising, while you're at the sandbar. It's a perfect spot for the family that is also covered by a bow shade, which is an option on this boat, which this boat does have. We're going to take a walk through the cockpit. I'm going to go through some more features on this boat. As you can see, as we step inside, we've got this huge seating area, large helm station, lots of seating for all your friends and family. There's going to be a grill right here, a summer kitchen with an electric grill and a refrigerator, freshwater sink right here. And as we look at the power plant in the back, just wanted to show you the twin 400 horsepower Mercury engines that are joystick piloting. So the boat is extremely nimble, move it sideways, diagonally, makes it really, really easy at the dock. There's a table that goes right in here, stores down below. It's covered in teak and also has a filler cushion to make a big lounging area up here as well. As we look at the helm station, we've got twin Simrad displays up here, flip up bolsters, so you can either sit down or you can stand up and lean like I'm about to do. We've got the joystick right here, the throttles, steering wheel, everything's ergonomic, easy to get to. And of course, we've got our air conditioning vent right here at the helm and throughout the cockpit area, keeps it nice and cool, as well as air conditioning down below as well. We've got some pictures and video online of the beautiful cabin space on this 320 Sundancer. If you'd like to set up a sea trial or come see it, give us a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you.